Last time I explained how to do grill size calculation, duct size calculation, and pipe size calculation. now I will explain. Now I will explain how to do double line this duct as per using AutoCAD and pipe pipe drafting also. This double line, first we need to, when you are doing double line duct sizing, before we need to see this is a duct size already what we did this size. In this size 600 is width, 300 is height. So what we will do now, this 600 we need to do double line. What we will do using AutoCAD commands. Can you are in already AutoCAD is familiar with AutoCAD. So when you are doing this double line is very easy. So what we will do from this center line we will do now double duct size. You can go in AutoCAD commands, offset command. Now there is 600 is there. So what you will make, 600 you will make 300 by 300. 300, enter. There is 300, there is 300, enter. So what will do after that, from this unit we need to make reducer. You can make from where to from where, one line, and select this one. From middle move at least 400 to 600. 400 I will make. After that you can make trim this one. You can go like this, connect like this. Undo, again, trim, clear, enter, enter. You can make from here, connect like this. Enter. Same line, match property, same line. And now this one 600 by this width will be 600. Now what I am doing, I will connect it first to this supply grill. How much there is there? Make it offset 300. So I will make 150. Offset 150. This one, this one. Now I will make here 145. Again offset. When you are doing your collar, this collar will be 45 degrees equal. Distance will be 150. Same from here, okay. You can take line from here, enter, trim. Nearly. This one is this one. Delete. This center line also no need. Now what we'll do, from here we'll make again 600 or 400, depends on the your site condition. We'll connect from there to there. This area, same trim. match property, enter. There is VCD is required. Why VCD? VCD is the controlling head. This text here. Now this part finished. So what we will do now? Again, we need to reduce this place. Again, we need to take offset 300 because now duct size will be reduced. Now 400 by 300 duct size. So what we will do? From this center point, not 400, 450. From this center point, 450 means 225 by 225. Offset 225. From there. Okay. Line you can take here. This one tapper reducer. You need to connect TR. No need, no need, no need, no need, no need. Trim again. This one no need. There is this and this one no need. No need. This is my duct size. This is duct size. Right. Delete, 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 delete. Patch properties. This one, this one, this one, this one. This 400 by 300 my duct size. Now I will connect 150 by 150 there is diffuser is. So what I will do? Same. I will make one more double line. Offset same 300. Yes, 150 by 150. Offset 150 by 150. From center line I will take because 150 means it's center line 300. Okay. From here I will connect to here. Okay. Match properties. This way. Okay, now in this one, this diffuser corner I will make 100 from 100 from 100. Same thing again 150 I will make here. Same thing I will copy from here. I can move little. I will move this one. Now I am terminate this step. No need. This one. There is VCD also. Every branch VCD required. VCD, why every branch means it will be control in here. No need. Okay. Now that this duct size means same thing here also. Same thing I will copy. See the from center here. I will copy here. Center. This one I will adjust. Okay. This one undo. This text I will keep here. I will make one arrow mark. Here. Match property somewhere. I will match property somewhere. It's looking very big. Same thing I will copy. This arrow mark here. This text I will make here. Okay. Forward. This guy here. Oh, this duct size finish. This is a 600 by 300. After that, we are minusing here. From here, 400 by 300. Same. Now this one only height only changes. That time only we need to make only 300. Offset 300. Offset 300. Okay. Match properties. After that, same 400 by 200. Same thing I will copy from here. Copy. Enter. This one. Offset 400. By 400, 400 this one. So from center line I will make 200 by 200. I will adjust now this one. Okay. Now no need the center line. Now I will make elbow here. Elbow we need to make generally there is 150 radius to make. Select radius 150. Now we need to make offset. Offset how much there is a 400 is there now this width. So offset 400. No mistake. This one actually 450, not 400. This is a 450. This is a 450. This is a 400 means this size will be mistake. So what we will do? We will make 25 from center to right one. I think this one is okay. Only this only mistake. Oops. 400. Offset from center line 200. This one, from here, this one, we'll make trim now. This one, there. You need to make all match properties, same color. Now you can move from where, here. Now this one will make 400, it should come properly. Offset 400. This one. You can connect this reducer here. Here. Okay. Match properties are there. This one all will make same line. So in this corner also required VCD. VCD. VCD means volume control damper. We'll keep here identification purpose. This is a duct size. As per what we get calculation, that is a, after that every room wise we need to make this duct size sharp drives called sharp drives. So in this from duct air will be coming flowing this area, cooling this area. After that again return it just ceiling, above ceiling only we are providing direct wall opening here. From wall opening it will come same FCU back side area. This is a AC cooling purpose. This is a same area. There is one thermostat is there, it's controlling the thermostat cooling area, controlling temperature, how much temperature is there, it will be controlling this. This is our AC design, duct design. Next, chill water. Chill water for we have 25 dia is there. This one 3.8 liter per second. This is the way we need to do AC design, calculation and drafting. Normally this drafting 3 stages there. One is concept stage, one is schematic stage, second one is design development stage. Now I will show you how to make ventilation also. This one only AC one we did. AC one we did drafting. So ventilation also I will show. This ventilation normally we need to do ventilation calculation also in this. For example, this is my area. In this area I will show you ventilation also. This ventilation now there is my equipment is there. So what we did earlier there is a so when I'm going this area there is a this room, this bedroom, this bedroom. So this bedroom, this bedroom, two bedroom will be only common two bathrooms is there. One bedroom, this bedroom, this bathroom. So what we will do? In ventilation also required. AC we are already providing, so ventilation also required. Normally, there is one Australia standards is there. Australia standard, as per Australia standards, we have some ventilation calculations is there. What they are saying Australia public area, they are taking for fixture 50 liter per second as per public area. Now this one not public area. This one only hotel apartment. Hotel apartment means normally like residential only. So in this case, how we are doing calculation as per Astra, each loading unit there is this called loading units means as one fixture that is a WC or shower anything. So we are taking 12.5 each fixture. There we took 12.5 two numbers because there is one shower is there, one is WC is there. That's why we took 12.5. And there also one more toilet is there. There also 12.5. Again, we are getting total this area 37.5. We are taking because there is shower is there. No, that's why 12.5, 12.5. There is only one WC is there, 12.5. So 37.5. My duct size came. Duct size same. What we did supply duct size same. We need to follow same duct material. But there is kitchen is there in kitchen. There is one hood also there. Normal kitchen, we need to provide one diffuser and wood also. So kitchen, what they are saying, 50 liter per second. In this one, I took there is hood area 25, normal extract area 25. Total my extract rate, how much I get it? 87.5. In this extract, we need to take 15% fresher is there. Fresher is there. So I need fresher 100. This is a ventilation calculation we need to do like this. This is a way ventilation and chilled water, AC, double line. Double line now how we did frame same scenario. We need to do ventilation also. Same duct size. Same we need to do like this duct size.